Hey guys, it's Gone Fishing. We're at the dock and just caught a mangrove snapper right in this little trench thing over there. Got a nice mangrove. Dad, you want to see the teeth? Now we can see it. He's got some teeth on him. So, nice fish. We'll get him back in the water. Get back to you guys with another one. Hey guys, it's Gone Fishing. And we just had a pretty rough storm. So we came out here, got under cover. Really nice fish. Picture with him. So, yeah. It's making some weird noises. So there it is. Back to you guys with another one. Fishing here at a spot on the boat and
Lift
just
it up.
got one of these black sea bass. So he's a nice one. And I guess we'll get him back in the water and we'll get back to you guys with another one.